As winter winds down and spring approaches, many homeowners begin thinking about how they can prepare their homes for the warmer weather. Let's look at some of the most important things you can do to get your home ready for spring. First, let's talk about your home's exterior. After a long, cold winter, your home's siding, roof, and gutters may need a good cleaning. This is a great time to power wash your home's exterior, clean out gutters, and inspect your roof for any damage that may have occurred during the winter months. If you notice any damage, it's important to have it repaired as soon as possible to prevent further issues down the line. Next, let's talk about your landscaping. Winter can be tough on your lawn, so it's a good idea to give it some extra attention in the spring. Start by raking up any dead leaves or debris that may have accumulated over the winter, and then aerate your lawn to promote healthy growth. You may also want to consider seeding any bare patches in your lawn or applying fertilizer to give your grass a boost. In addition to your lawn, you'll want to take a look at your garden beds and flower pots. Clear out any dead plants or debris from last year, and add fresh soil or compost to give your plants a healthy start. Moving inside your home, it's a good idea to give it a thorough cleaning after a long winter. Open up your windows to let in some fresh air and give your home a deep clean from top to bottom. This is also a good time to change out any air filters and have your HVAC system serviced to ensure it's running efficiently for the warmer months ahead. Finally, as the weather warms up, you may want to consider updating your home's decor to give it a fresh, new look. This can be as simple as swapping out your bedding for lighter, brighter options or adding some colorful throw pillows to your living room. Getting your home ready for spring after a long winter doesn't have to be a daunting task. By taking a few simple steps, like cleaning your home's exterior, tending to your lawn and garden, giving your home a deep clean, and updating your decor, you can welcome the new season with a fresh, clean, and welcoming home. Please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're looking for more content like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes on Sugarbush Trail.